Have you ever wondered about the mastermind behind the innovative cryptocurrency, Beam? It's a question that has puzzled many crypto enthusiasts. Let's dive deep into the mystery and uncover the identity of the founder who has revolutionized the privacy-focused blockchain space. Imagine a world where your financial transactions are completely anonymous, untraceable by any government or institution. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what Beam aims to achieve. But who is the visionary behind this groundbreaking project? The enigma of the founder. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, Beam has chosen to maintain a degree of anonymity for its founder. This decision has sparked curiosity and speculation within the crypto community. Some believe that the founder is a single individual, while others suggest it could be a team of developers working in secrecy. The lack of public information about the founder has led to various theories and rumors. Some have speculated that the founder might be a former government official or a tech entrepreneur with a deep understanding of cryptography. Others have even suggested that the founder could be a mysterious figure from the dark web. The impact of anonymity. While the anonymity of the founder may seem unconventional, it has actually served a crucial purpose. By keeping their identity hidden, the founder has been able to protect Beam from potential threats and maintain its focus on privacy and security. The anonymity has also helped to foster a sense of trust and community among Beam's users. Many believe that the founder's decision to remain anonymous is a testament to their commitment to the project's ideals. The future of Beam. Despite the mystery surrounding its founder, Beam has continued to make significant strides in the cryptocurrency world. The project's innovative privacy features have attracted a growing number of users and developers. As Beam continues to evolve, it is likely that more information about its founder will eventually come to light. However, for now, the mystery surrounding the project's creator adds an intriguing layer to its story. So, who is the founder of Beam Crypto? While we may never know for sure, the mystery surrounding their identity has only added to the allure of this innovative project. Whether it's a single individual or a team of developers, the founder of Beam has undoubtedly made a significant contribution to the world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.